Now recently we have done a fair few reviews on Blitzwolf gaming headsets, earphones and headphones. And well, today we are back with yet another one, which is the Blitzwolf BW GH1 Pro gaming headset. Just like all the other Blitzwolf products, the box is very simplistic, with the usual green and white tone to the box. Inside, why, king! Yeah, it's a live bird in the supermarket. Alright, what we get is a wee little user manual. You get nothing else but the headset itself. Oh god, look at that. Oh, let's get it open quick. Hey you, come over here. Yeah. Stop that. And yes, we have indeed got the Blitzwolf BW GH1 Pro headset itself. Now we have actually reviewed the BW GH1s. They were an excellent headset, and well, this one, it looks like it's made from a different choice of materials. So we've got matte ABS plastic to the top of the headband, a lot of chrome detail going on, but these stainless steel looking side ABS plastic side caps, some mesh tube and some LED lights. As you can see, we've got the Blitzwolf logo that's printed on the side of that nice chrome detail. Quite a long microphone. Yes, it can be stored away within the headset should you wish. And yes, it's certainly a better option than those cheap budget headsets that simply has a mic on the side of the headset that when placed down will most likely break. So yeah, it does feel quite bendy as well. Oh yeah, it can be bent into position. I didn't know that, so that's kind of pretty good. So you can perfectly place that microphone at a good distance away from your mouth, preferably around about 3 inches away. So both driver units do indeed extend, so these should fit any size head, very flexible. Oh, and I also like the stainless steel look to the sides too. Now looking at the earphone padding, no, I wouldn't actually say they feel real thick. Don't feel that plush, to be honest. You get a good size diameter and depth of that earpad, so know when the headset is on your head, your ear will not press against that inner foam lining. Let's look at the controls on this Blitzwolf headset, but first let me just tell you guys that you do have a 3.5mm connection, so this will connect, for example, to your PS4 or PS5 controller. If you've got an Xbox, you may need an adapter. The USB end will be to illuminate those side lights. I think that you can get a USB version to these BW GH1 Pros, but if you're intending to use this headset with your PS4 or PS5 console, please note that you will need a power source for that USB in order to use those LED side lights. Now hopefully you'll be able to see this. We do in fact get a nice braided black cable. It is quite lengthy. It does come with a velcro strap to keep it in place. Let's just open it. Yes, you can sit quite a distance away from your PC, laptop, although you won't really need that much distance away from your PS4 or PS5 controller. So upon the control unit, we do indeed have an on-off microphone switch. That's great, because if you do indeed intend to use a studio microphone and also use this headset, then you will be able to do so, as with some headsets out there that don't have a mute switch, some of them don't work hand in hand with studio microphones plugged into your PS4 or PS5 console. So yes, this headset will most likely work on your PS4 or PS5 console, and it also comes with an on-off switch for those side LED lights. And in addition, we do have a volume control dial too. I actually do like that. So let's go ahead and turn those lights on. Ooh, very nice. So in fact, we do get RGB lighting. So no, we won't be able to change this to one individual color, I'm afraid. But what we do also get is a nice LED light to the end of the microphone too. Alright, so we're playing Grand Theft Auto on the PS5 console, and we've been using these GH2 Pros for over 2 hours now. I must say that they are quite comfortable. My ears don't feel that much sweaty, and they do actually stay up on the head somewhat. So yeah, nice and solid. But when it comes to the audio, the volume is not too high, but it does, however, have a pretty good bass. Now, the polarity between both drivers is almost spot on. You do have good surround sound with this gaming headset, but I will note that most gaming headsets do actually have the possibility of surround sound. It all depends on how well made they are. Now one thing I will say is that when it comes to the audio, dialogue in certain games is somewhat distant. You do get pretty good mid-levels though, and in fact they're quite good to listen to music with. So yes, you can plug these right into your mobile phone should you wish, and you can actually use this gaming headset on mobile phone gaming too. Now, as mentioned, you do get over-ear padding with this headset, but unfortunately, no, they don't have passive noise cancellation, so you can actually hear stuff from the outside world, so you don't 100% feel locked into gameplay, I'm afraid. Voice pickup, I've got to say, is quite good, as long as it's kept a good distance away from your mouth, that is. If you move it any closer, just like so, then you might get a bit of distortion when shouting down the mic. But yes, good microphone pickup, and you won't get much of a distortion when shouting like this.
This is a filthy hard drive, bro.
It is a filthy hard drive. What's he up to?
Got any antivirus software?
Now, as mentioned, you do have good functionality with that volume control unit, easy access, and you do get a microphone mute switch too. So, yeah. So yeah, it works. And you do get that
Give me a second, will you?
RGB lighting off and RGB lighting on switch. So that's pretty good if you just want to switch those lights off, which I tend to do. And overall, this gaming headset, although it does feel quite solid and quite sturdy upon my head, and although I do like the choice of materials that have been used, I don't actually like the way they've mixed and matched them together. In my opinion, they don't look as good as the GH1s or the GH2s. Those headsets do have more of a professional look, better build quality, and these GH1 Pros are quite bulky and almost look a bit toyish. But you know what? I am going to give them a 7 out of 10 today. I do like the very lengthy braided cable, that's always key. The microphone pickup's pretty good. You got a bendable microphone, good fitment upon my head, but like I mentioned, you don't get good sound seal and you don't feel that much locked away during gameplay. Now, I will leave a link in the video description right down below. You can check them out for yourselves. Go and take a look. But if you do like what you see, well, why not go get yours? So yeah, I'm going to be doing some more gameplay with this gaming headset today. But if any issues do arise with this gaming headset, I will indeed update you guys upon it in a future video. Now, stay tuned to our channel. We are going to be doing a nice little giveaway on these AIRAUX Bluetooth headphones. Yeah, these ones. So we're going to be doing a giveaway. Stay tuned for that by first pressing like on this video and then subscribing to this channel. Please make sure to stay updated upon our channel by hitting that bell notification option. But as usual guys, please stay safe and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!